Prince Charles want to keep the door open to Prince Harry. It is something he regret not doing with his ex-wife Diana, Princess of Wales, according to new report. Prince Charles reportedly met with Prince Harry and his wife Meghan Markle in Windsor last week. The Duke and Duchess of Sussex made a secret stop off in the UK en route to the Netherlands for the Invictus Games. Charles and Camilla, Duchess of Cornwall, are said to have spent 15 minutes with the couple during their lucky visit. The pair in Windsor for the Monday Thursday service. Following the meeting with the Sussex, Charles and Camilla left for St. George's Chapel, where the heir was due to step in for his mother during the traditional coin-giving ceremony. The rift between Charles and his youngest son became widely known following Meghan and Harry's exit 2 years ago. Tensions were exacerbated after the pair sat down for their tell-all interview with Oprah Winfrey, during which Harry said his father and brother were trapped in the firm. He also claimed that he was not adequately supported by his family and that Charles had cut him off financially. The Prince of Wales was said to be nervous about Thursday's meeting. A friend of Charles told Mail Online, "He loves his son and he has been broken-hearted by everything that has taken place, although he fears the story repeating itself with Harry just as it did with Princess Diana." But he also wants to keep the door open and keep talking, something still regret not doing with Diana. After the meeting, Harry and Meghan saw the Queen where the atmosphere was a little less edgy. The Duke opened up on reuniting with his grandmother, saying it was great to see her. He told the BBC, "She had plenty of messages for Team UK which she've already passed on to most of them. So, it was great to see her and I am sure she would love to be here if she could." The prince has not spoken out about his meetings with his father, and has been accused of swerving a question about Charles and Prince William. In an interview with Today host Dakota B., Harry spoke openly about his family and about how he wants to make the world a better place for his kids. Asked if he missed his family at home, he said yes, before adding especially over the last 2 years, "For most people, have we not missed their families? Right?" But when asked specifically if he missed his brother and father, he stopped short of answering directly, saying he was focused on competitor at the Invictus Games. He said, "Look, I mean, at the moment, I am here focused on these guys and these families and giving everything I can, 120%, to them to make sure that they have the experience of a lifetime. That's my focus here. And when I leave here, I go back, and my focus is my family, we miss massively." In a Twitter post, ITV's royal editor, Chris Shipp, said that Harry completely swerved the question. Harry did, however, reveal that he feels the guidance of his mother more than ever. Speaking about Diana's presence in his life, he said, "It's constant. It has been over the last 2 years. More so than ever before. It's almost as though she's done her bit with my brother and now she's very much back to help him. Got him set up, now she's helping us set up. That's what it feels like. He's got his kids. I've got my kids. You know, circumstances are obviously different." He added, "I feel her presence in almost everything that I do now. But definitely more so in the last 2 years than ever before. I did not see William or his sister-in-law, Kate, Duchess of Cambridge, during his brief visit to the UK. William and Kate were in France enjoying a ski trip with their 3 children, Prince George, Princess Charlotte and Prince Louis, when Harry and Meghan arrived. But the brothers could be reunited later this year as the Sussex have been invited to join the royal family during the Queen's Platinum Jubilee celebration. If Harry and Meghan do return to London for the 4-day weekend in June, they could appear on Buckingham Palace balcony and at the Queen's service of Thanksgiving at St. Paul's Cathedral. Speaking to MSKTB, the Duke said he wants to bring his children to the UK for the celebration, but admitted that he doesn't know if a visit is possible. When asked about his plan to return, he said, "I don't know yet. There is lots of security issues and everything else. So this is what I am trying to do, trying to make it possible that, you know, I can get my kids to meet her, the Queen,